Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Our Paul Merson will be one of Arsenal legends. Don't come outside, call talk about Nketiah. Baba call give a brutal attack for Nketiah. So Baba they talk say Nketiah no dey good enough for Arsenal. So in fact, this guy not even dey good enough to carry us go top 4, and also he's not even good enough to even start for Fulham. So Fulham na side wey say just promote to the EPL. So if he go for that Fulham, he no fit start. He go dey for Benjamin because he no go fit bench Alexander Mitrovic again. But for Arsenal now, this kind of person will probably give a new contract, as in Baba talk plenty about the guy. But what if Baba dey forget we say Nketiah fit no start for our EPL, Nketiah fit no dey our first team, but we still need people to play cup now. Shebi na this same person that help us last season, wey help us enter 5th whole day to go Europa League. Abi don't forget, and the guy still dey very young now. Abi how una take see this matter as Paul Merson dey blast Nketiah? Though he don come outside say no be say he wan blast the guy, no be say he wan dig at the guy, but the facts are the facts. No, Baba just dey talk him mind. So wetin be una own mind about this Nketiah? Personally, make I no lie for you, personally, Nketiah no supposed to be person wey say we dey talk say okay we'll get 2 striker. We no supposed to even count am and say we'll get 2 striker. For Jesus now, only Jesus don't sign. Just kind of for mind say na only 1 striker we don't get. No, just get somebody else. Buy another player, because now wetin Baba dey talk, we need more strikers to complement Gabriel Jesus. Say Nketiah no be person wey supposed to dey count, and truly na smally him be. Again, you know if they talk say we get 2 strikers, when they talk say we get Nketiah. That's my own personal opinion, no. But wetin I think about wetin Paul Merson talk. Then away from that, Charles Watt sef don come outside call talk about Gabriel Jesus. You get so you can talk say for that Man City, ever since Gabriel Jesus dey play, say he has never been the main man, and this is one of the things wey dey push am to come join Arsenal. Manchester United wanted him, Chelsea wanted him, Spurs wanted him, but he knows if he go there, he will never be the main man. You know if you go Man you may go bench Ronaldo wey dey play 9, e no possible. You go dey be under his shadow, you go dey behind am. You get. You know if you go Spurs now, may go bench Kane wey dey for that 9, e no possible. You go dey under am. You know if you go Chelsea now, though Lukaku don go, Chelsea would have been a better choice. Like if you wan play 9, they fit still give a choice, unless maybe Tuchel go buy another striker. I never really know, because Tuchel we know last season get Timo Werner, you get Lukaku, you see they play Kai Havertz for that place. So whether I don't know whether they prefer false 9 role, you know they like to use the main striker for that place instead. They carry Timo Werner and go for flank. So Jesus go don't look all those things, but look at Arsenal, they don't have any number 9. They are original man when you get the number 9 shirt, just they retire. So you go know say if they go there, you go collect that number 9 shirt. So that is one of the things we push Gabriel Jesus to come accept Arsenal 10. So Paul Merson and Charles Watt talk say he made a very good choice. About the Athletic, one of our monitoring spirits, they let us know say Arsenal they plan to intensify talks for Raphinha. See they really need the guy. See they won't ramp their talks, you know, raise everything to a new level, because they already secure Gabriel Jesus. With the remain personal terms and medical. Get that one will still come in the coming days. So Raphinha now let's target, because many people deal with the chook eye for that Raphinha deal. So they don't want to waste time, and they don't say if you snooze you lose. Repalo self come outside come talk about Raphinha. So Baba can talk say Raphinha is a top player. Say make Arsenal sign him and make them no go for Richarlison. Me I don't know why him talk like that. But Baba they talk say that Brazilian connection will help Raphinha self thrive, because if Raphinha come, you could be seeing the starting level of Gabriel Martinelli, Gabriel Jesus, and Raphinha. You just see that Brazilian connection, the 3 of them, Brazil, Samba boys. If you see that kind of attack, and you know say many people come they happy like me now, they happy like Saka and Raphinha, and then go they handle that right flank. So imagine the Saka don't play for like 60 minutes, 70 minutes. You as a defender don't run up and down. All of a sudden the coach got to change Saka, call put the Raphinha. Oh more, you go 1 minute. So that kind of thing, it will make sense. That is what we missed last season. Squad depth, we don't really get that. And at least make Saka self take a breather, make him rest for a little time. At least the guy really suffer gone. He just chill. He never rest now. She been half holiday now. Don't they play for England? Before you know that pre-season don't start. After pre-season, that match don't start. Emirates Cup, all those things. Before you know, and next season, there are plenty matches we go to play. Well, I just pray make the guy get enough rest. You didn't sit down contact Arsenal, say they won't make Pablo Mari deal permanent. You know, so idea will send them go on loan, where he go play, and he did a very good job. But they can't do themselves. We make all those kind of AC Milan, Napoli, all those kind of people, Genoa. They can't say okay, they go like to carry Pablo Mari on loan with an obligation to buy again, or permanent. Get more win at permanent level because the guy knows to get plenty years for a contract, so no one make the guy go out because he's not part of our plan. Then we don't get plenty center backs now. And Saliba they coming, and Saliba is like a new signing because never really play for us. Saliba is coming in. We want to still buy Lisandro Martinez, so we can't get Gabriel White, Ben White, Gabriel Morales, Lisandro Martinez where they come, Saliba where they come, still get Rob Holding, or more. Because you say center backs don't they yakpa everywhere, we don't they get plenty center back, and we still get other people say if still play center back, so it makes sense for the multiple competitions who will play next season. So I don't think Pablo Mari is that important. The reason when people they keep and them say blessing I be the left for a full-time center back off the bench, Gabriel Morales in case that one get injured. When I say Lisandro Martinez the cup, we can use that one for filial righteousness. And my foot mercato self don't come outside, they let us know say Marcel don't approach Arsenal, say them go like to carry Saliba, even say them they ready to offer a bid, but anything they do, Arsenal really shut them down. Say we don't need you to approach us and say this guy in our property, we just give you, borrow you, say okay use them, you get. Now we want collect them back now, it's gonna be like saying a war. What do I want to borrow this guy? And I no talk say that like this is the ending go be. People say myself want release one clip yesterday how my Saliba can't do for that French league. Saliba was like a beast. 6 tackles, how many area headers? Guy they win area header anyhow. My prayer na make him go replicate that thing for EPL. If he do am, that footage I watched yesterday, if he to do am for Arsenal, now we say we don't get senior man as in God, the guy will die. Because the way the guy they play sliding, you know the fear, as in fearless. Guy they enter any tackle, break anything, match anybody. That's what we need in EPL because EPL EPL are a different kettle of fish. EPL is very brutal and rugged. Our referees like Mike Dean, Martin Atkinson, and Jonathan Moss don't retire. So as I make a left I know say they don't retire, so other people now go take over their position. Then say they don't try. So we wish them all the best of luck in their new retirement career. Matt Turner don't enter London to come complete in Arsenal move too, but don't come with in family as Arsenal welcome them. So then they look forward to the medicals and everything before they go announce them as our new signing. Well, we can't wait for them to do that. I'm gonna get one picture. We're gonna fly over social media of Gabriel Jesus. 8 years ago, this guy they do painter work. He was a 17-year-old in Brazil. They paint that time they don't play World Cup. That was 2014. So the guy they follow some guys where they paint the sidewalks, paint some kind of place. This life, everything God say it will be, now it will be. Imagine 8 years ago this guy they do paint all of a sudden. He never even went to academy, nothing. 8 years later now, don't win how many trophies from Man City now. He don't do on the way to Arsenal. Just imagine. Life no balance, but now God, now God. Arsenal and Manchester United don't meet with Ajax representatives over Lisandro Martinez sale. Yes. So after the meeting, they can't let Ajax, they can't let Arsenal. And man, say the amount they won't collect now £42 million. That will be the amount they will need. So if Arsenal need to sign this guy, that's the amount Arsenal will need to play. But I trust my darling Arsenal. I don't know if you give them that amount. If you give them 35, can add some add-ons or maybe 30 something. In some add-ons to sweeten the deal, and so it will be. Well, even Lisandro Martinez said they're very, very keen to join Arsenal. Even the reason Manchester United, and now waiting they surprise me, like the pool where Arsenal gets for all these players. Like people are seeing Arteta like, I want to play for this manager. And as we don't already sign Gabriel Jesus, there's some other players who will reason say, okay, come and join us. They will look say, Jesus don't enter there now. Fabio Vieira don't enter. Or maybe say go join the revolution. That is what I'm seeing happening. And I just pray say all this is going to happen because I want people to secure all our deals before preseason so that all these guys will follow us go tour America, come back. Don't do 1 or 2. Don't be say 9 minutes to come the sign player like we sign Tommy Yasu on the last day when you do preseason. I don't want all that, I beg. Even Daily Mail self now come outside call the talk say Arsenal will make a revised offer for Raphinha. You get, but Arsenal will pay £65 million because £65 million 9 leagues once for Raphinha. Arsenal will make a good offer, like in the mode of 50 million, 55 million at most with add-ons. You get, but nobody say we won't give you 65 million cash. It will happen now. So that's what we are saying. My own be say maybe they just wrap up. Jesus, no say we don't get that one, no arguments. So Raphinha, no time. You get. So because no say sports self, the reason say either Raphinha or Richarlison, but they lean more towards Richarlison. You get, I never seen they slap that kind of 50-55 million pounds for your head. So I don't know who them will choose whether they will come back for Raphinha. I will go for that one. And at the same time, But they just say Barcelona and Manchester United don't dey very close to a deal for Frenkie de Jong. The deal will give them whether na 80 something million or 60 something million, but I'm saying a big money sha wey Barca go collect, and once Barca collect that money, they are likely to come back for Raphinha. And if they come back, Raphinha go jago because Barca na im first choice, and just because Barca no get money to implement the deal, that's why company like saying they look for second choice like Arsenal and the rest. Ever the Barca na shola for am. So we need to do quick, make hay while the sun shines. Arsenal legend wey dem call Winterborn sef don come outside come dey talk say Arsenal need to buy like 5 to 6 players more even after they don buy the Jesus, because Baba dey talk say they need another striker. They need a striker, they need 2 full backs, they need a left back, they need a right back replacement, they need a center midfield player, they need a right winger. They need them, you get. So all these things that they need, but unfortunately Arsenal may not have the money to buy all these players. And the truth be say, all these players we know say we need them, you get. But it is not something we can address in this window, you get. So with all the money wey people they call up, look at Raphinha now 60 something, we go Yuri Tillemans now, then they call like 40 something, but also that kind of 30-35 will bring us down. All this money, before you know, we don't spend more than 200 million, you get. So money no dey easy like that. The best of the best players. Okay, look at another striker who go one side. Which striker you think so go fit sign and we go fit dey less than 50 million? Apart from Gianluca Kamaka. Which other striker? Who you want sign? Who is even available? Now move first the check. Which striker they available now? We say if we go dey cheaper for us. So those are the things we are looking at. So all these things, Baba dey talk say Arsenal fit no get money to sign, but these are what we need. So if you know watch yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click am so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and get out.